Yes, students. Next concept. Sometimes the new crops could make a difference between life and death, because the when we are changing our food system, food pattern, it may affect our health also. So same problem it started. Europe's poor began to eat better and live longer with the introduction of humble potato. Potato is the food of the poor people of European continent. So they are getting the cheaper potato, and that's why better amount of food and better food, and they are started to live longer than olden days. And Ireland poorest peasants became so dependent on potatoes that when disease destroyed the potato crop in the mid of 1840s, hundreds of thousands died of starvation. When the potato was there in the European continent, they was living properly, and when potato crop become failure destroyed, that time what happened? Many people, hundreds of thousands people died. Means many people, means lakhs and lakhs people died in which year? 1840s. The next topic it is conquest, disease and trade. The pre-modern world shrunk greatly in the 16th century after European sailors found a sea route to Asia and also successfully crossed the Western Ocean to America. In 16th century, Europeans they started to find out the way to other continents. Why? Because the Constantinople or Turkey, which one we was using as the land route to reach to Asia, that was closed by the king of the Turkey. So they got a compulsion to find out the sea route. So they started to find out the try to get sea route, and many people tried, and some of them reached here in Asia, and some of the people they reached in America. So in 16th century we can see the great change in the European continent because of the finding out of American continents as well as Asian continent with the sea route. 4 centuries before, the Indian Ocean was had known as the bustling trade with goods, people, knowledge, custom, etc. Crisis crossing its waters. Only problem, the Indian Ocean means if the people they are coming to the Asian continent, they will get all the things, goods they will get, and skilled people they will get, knowledge they will get, customs they are getting. Like that, many things they are getting from Asian continent. Why it is? Because the Central Asia, if you are seeing the older universities of Asian or Indian, we can see Nalanda and Takshila. These universities are the common era, means the so many years before, so many centuries before, that was very famous in the world. So they are getting the knowledge from the universities. Like that, in China also having the different culture civilizations, and in the we can see here in India itself before common era, it means the starting of the common era, before itself we can see starting of the different religion, like that Buddhism, Jainism, like that. Means the development of the religion or culture or customs, that many things they are getting from the Asian continent, especially from the Central Asia. Okay, the entry to European helped expand and or direct this some of these flow towards Europe. Means when the Europeans they came here in India, or they started to bring much amount of money than the Arab trade. So knowingly or unknowingly, the trade that is directed to Europe. Then, before its discovery, America had been cut off from regular contact with the rest of the world for millions of years. Means when we are having the trade relation with Europe, then Asia, then Africa, that time American continent, it was not knowing place, and there was no regular relation with any part of the world with America. But from the 16th century, its vast land and abundant crops and minerals began to transform trade and lives everywhere. When we find out America, we know the diamond or gold, even the food items, like that. In many way, America now contributed many things to the world, especially in the condition of starvation, poverty. They provided food maybe as a charity, means free, sometimes with the cash they given money. Here in India also, in the time of independence and post independent time, we was getting means the free food from America, and it was distributing in the villages also for the people, means daily use, like wheat and what we can say, palm oil, like that things, it was coming from America because of the starvation or poverty of India. Then precious metals, particularly silver from the mines located in the present-day Peru and Mexico, also enhanced European wealth and financed its trade with Asia. Legends spread in the 17th century Europe about South Africa fabled wealth with the, which one it is, gold of South America, then silver of Peru and Mexico, like that. The precious metals they started to bring from American continents, and it is given a means why the British people, when they was coming to India for trade, why they brought silver and gold as a medium of exchange with the Indian products like spices, cotton, like that things, because they was bringing that one from American continents as well as from African continents. The Portuguese and Spain conquest and colonization of America was decisively underway by the mid of the 16th century. European conquest was not just a result of superior firepower. In fact, the most powerful weapon of the Spanish conquest was not a conventional military weapon at all. Means the European continent, why they reached everywhere, not because of the some of the work, because of the ship and other things. Not only that one, they are having the weapons, powerful weapons they had, and that's why they are the Portuguese and Spanish people, they are becoming the most powerful in American continent. Like if you are looking to India and the Indian subcontinent, we can see British people become more powerful here. Then it was then what weapons they was using? It was the germs such as those of smallpox that they carried on the person. Means some of the people, those who are having the disease, best example now corona, all people in the starting we was saying, or now also we are saying like that, from China it came. China purposely they made and sent to other part of the world, like that. The Spanish people, what they was using as a weapon, the weapon was the germs of the reason for the disease. And because of their long isolation, American original inhabitants had no immunity against these diseases that came from Europe. When we are coming contact with a new disease, and if we are not having that immunity power with that disease, we will get it fast. And so the same problem it happened now. Why in the starting of the corona, each and every government, central government as well as state government, they said to us to take precautions, maximum precautions by hand wash, wearing mask and other things, as well as they said to improve our immunity power. Those who done that one, they are not getting the problem with corona, even though they are getting the positive cases, but we won't get any symptom from them. And in month of May and June itself, we heard like that in Chennai, many people they was positive when they conducted test, but they never showed any one of the symptom, because they are having the immunity power, but that germs is there in their body. It won't affect them very much, very minimum way it will come, and it will cure very fast. Within 4th or 5th day they will become cured persons. Like that situation also we heard in the newspaper. Okay, the same way the Americans was not having that much immunity because of these diseases came from Europe. Smallpox in particularly proved a deadly killer. When they thought about the European disease, which was a killer disease there in American continent, that was smallpox. Once introduced, it spread deep into the continent. Once, if we are starting here also corona, it started in January, and that time it was case 1, and February 2 or 3, and March it started to spread, and that time it was thousands, and now it is lakhs, means more than 25 lakh we are near about more than 30 lakh people they are affected with corona, and near about more than 50 people they died already because of that disease. Like that, if it started, it will go in deeper. That's why in the history it is saying like that, try to be more immunity power with our body. We should have the immunity power in our body, then we won't get any infections like that. Even not only science, even history giving the same information to us. So as a social studies students, we want to be more conscious about all these things. Okay, then it killed and decimated whole communities, paving the way for conquest. By that, we can, if we are going to America, we can see very rare original people of means the what we can say now the war between, or the civil problem between the America, that is not with Red Indians and Europeans. Instead of that, Afro Americans with Afro Europeans, that means whites and blacks. That is not the original people of America. Okay, so the many people of the original community of India, they died. Many of them died, or some of the community totally it is destroyed. Okay, that like that they becoming the more powerful in American continents. And guns could be bought or captured and turned against the invaders, but not disease such as smallpox, to which the conquerors were mostly immune. Gun, if we are having, means we can buy it or we can capture it and we can use it, but this is what we will do. Until 19th century, poverty and hunger were common even in the European continent. Up to which century? 19th century, poverty and hunger was the common issues of European continent. Now in India it is common problem, poverty and starvation. Still we are struggling to give food to all people. Cities crowded and deadly disease were spreader. Religious conflicts were common, and the religious dissenters were persecuted. Means the what was the condition of Europe in up to 19th century? Even though they are moving to different parts of the world and they are invading the different countries and they are becoming the rulers there, then what was the condition of not only America, Europe, and maximum areas of the world, and especially in the Europe, we can see the deadly diseases was spreading. Now they are saying like that is something happening from India or Asia. They will say some new diseases it is finding out. They will say it is from India or from Asian countries. Those who are means the poor countries like that, and that was very common in European continent also. The next one, it is the religious conflicts between the two religious groups. It was very common, especially if you are looking to here in Europe as well as in the part of Asia. Christian Muslim war was going on for many centuries, and again after the Protestant development of Protestantism, we can see the Protestant and Catholic movement conflicts was very common. Then and religious dissenters were persecuted. What happening? Those who are believing in a particular religion, which is the king or the monarch is thinking like that, this is not the religion of our country. For example, here in Pakistan, Muslims, they are having the freedom, and other religious people, they don't have freedom. They are getting the persecution or the harassment from the administrative from the ruler's side itself. Like that, many when Christianity started, that time many of them, those who are started to convert to Christianity, they got persecution. And when Islam religion started, that time also those who are converted to Islam, that people was getting the persecution. Like that, religious persecution means those who are believing in a particular religion, especially that is to new religion, they are used to get harassment or trouble from other part of the other religious group or the same religious group. And thousands therefore fled Europe for America. So what happened? Many Europeans, what they thought, if we are living here in Europe, European continent is difficult. That's why they went to America. Here by the 18th century, plantation plantations worked by slaves captured in Africa were growing cotton and sugar for European market. How Indians was working for Europeans like indigo and other things like that. The African peoples they was working in the plantation especially for cotton and sugar production. Okay, we will continue tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.